Hey guys, today I'm going to make some ham and cheese potatoes. So let's get toasting. I cut up a couple of russet potatoes just like that, and I put them in this 10-inch cast iron skillet. This fits perfectly in my toaster oven, so I'm going to use that. I left the skin on because I like the skin and it's a little more healthy. I think there's a lot of vitamins in the skin. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on them. This is avocado oil, but you can use any kind of oil that you like, any type of cooking oil. And I'm going to season them lightly with some salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'm going to kind of mix those up a little bit. And I have some leftover ham there, and the ham is already cooked, so I'm just going to add that at the end. I'm going to cook the potatoes first and then add the ham, and I have some American cheese there, so that's the type of cheese I'm going to use, but you could use any type of cheese that you like. Alright, let's get these potatoes into the toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and while those potatoes are cooking, I'll cut up some of that ham. My potatoes were in the oven for 35 minutes and I just pulled them out. They look pretty nice. Now we'll add the cheese here. This is, like I said, American cheese. I'll just kind of spread it out like this, I guess. I don't know the best way to do it. Some shredded cheese would work really well for this. Like I said, you could use any kind of cheese that you want. So I'll just kind of spread the cheese out a little bit like that, and then we'll put some of this ham on the top. I guess might as well just use all of it here. Not that much left. Like I said, the ham is already cooked, so it just has to warm up. So I would say that this looks pretty good. Wonder if I should use more cheese than that. Maybe. I guess that's pretty good. You can use as much cheese as you like, but I'm going to go ahead and get that back into the oven. And I'll just put that back in there and keep an eye on it until the cheese melts. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes here. Let's see how this is doing. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to get it out of there. Alright, let's see how this looks here. I don't know if that cheese melted real well. Some American cheeses don't melt real well these days. I don't know. Looks good though. Anyway, let's get some ham, potato there. Try a bite of that. Looks kind of hot. Anyway, let's try a bite. Turned out pretty good. You could actually throw an egg or two on top of that as well, and that'd be good. Guess we better let Annie try it out. Want a piece of ham, Annie? You know she's gonna scarf down the ham. Annie approved. So I cooked the potatoes for about 35 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit on bake, and then once I put the ham and cheese on, it was in there another, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes or so, just until they warmed up and the cheese melt. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description. Hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.